watch where you're going.
So let me ask you a question.
Not now, I'm driving.
Okay, so just listen then. Do you have an automobile warranty?
Hello, I'm driving.
Oh, that's right. Okay, if it's still intact, you have responsibilities, like the manufacturer minimum required maintenance, including getting oil changes on time. And if you don't, it could void your warranty. Most people don't find that out until they need it the most. And then this is you. Oh no, my warranty's void!
That doesn't even sound like me.
Don't worry, Sunset's got you covered with a complimentary warranty health check. The Sunset family will ask you a few questions about your maintenance records that are required for your warranty or extended service contract, just in case you miss something. Come on, you'll know if you've been late or missed something, right? And if you have, Sunset will pay you top dollar for your vehicle and get you into one with warranty protection for life and oil changes for life, included with every single qualifying vehicle. And Sunset could probably lower your payment, which won't be due for up to 90 days. Sunset Warranty Health Checks.
I feel better already.
Keep your eye on the road, pal. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.